Hey guys, so right now we're on a trail. There's a waterfall and stuff, and as you can see, if we walk down, Mama, I'm just going right here. The trail ends in a second. Yeah, here's what you got. The mud is very like mushy if you would like to say. So it probably is quicksand. This isn't no Kentucky, so there's more dangerous things out here, but here's your little bridge, your little road, and all that stuff. As you can see, here's some chickens. Bye, you feel me? There you go. So they are live. This is going on YouTube. I know y'all haven't seen me in a good while. Why is she like this? Like, Lord Jesus, help me. As you can see, if you're out in the wild, you can eat this tree bark. And this shows signs. Ew, what's that? What's that? Y'all, here's a bug up close. I don't know what that was, but it's like a furry bug.
They said the competition I had to be in sandals, she had to be in buddies, and she had to be in tennis shoes.
Check out my shit, girl. I knew I was gonna be in the woods.
So
I was not trying to wear
they said
no
we
blue
had to do
shoes.
this, and so look at this, guys. My daughter may have to help me up.
Mama, just run up.
You better run your real fast. Just run.
Mama, you better not. Oh, this dragon. I'm so sorry y'all had to hear that. Oh my gosh. So here's your view. Mama, that's going on YouTube. I can't even walk straight. So
I can't breathe.
Okay.
tell them how you feel, ma'am. You! Tell them how you
I
feel.
never would have thought in a million years, guys, I have to go through this in my life.
So yeah, guys, I'll vlog the rest of the way.
Make sure you save it, Shanti.
You'll see it on YouTube,
Save
ma'am.
it, share it, Lena. You got to share it. You share it?
I was going, I wouldn't laugh.
Oh, okay.
Here's the view. Everybody come to Memphis. Like,
I'm glad you went laughing.
Okay, look, I'm a something.
there's a bunch of nature and stuff.
Off in the shade so I can see it out the
Cute little birds and stuff.
Look at my shirt.
Right now, I think we have circus. Right now, I think we have circus clowns. And, you know my American Eagle jeans? They're ruined from the train track from sitting on there. Those jeans were $50. But
Okay, then
I'm showing them. I'm saying,
yeah,
yo.
I'm gonna show them the vlog.
You had me on the ground?
Yes, I did.
okay, bro. You failed.
Guys, so if you really need to see some nature, this is what you get. I wish I could flip the camera, but my phone don't be, doing all that. Oh no, what's going on in here? So that was very eventful, and yeah, here, let me show y'all over here. So I tripped over these balls a bit, but we'll make it. I might be on the ground like she was, but it's fine.
Oh, Naylon Lena got the end of it.
Here's what you got right here. Stream, whatever you want to call it. Overall, even though there's a Sonic Cup, they keep this community really nice and clean. Yeah. We passed 3 ponds. I'm going to show y'all all of them. So you got your roads and stuff. Now, I have a question for you guys in the comments. What are all the different states you have been to? I've only been to Florida, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, and that's about it. My life is very plain and lame. unless you want to count like the things we rode through Florida. But that's about it. I think so. So I hope this vlog was really eventful. Here's some sun for you all. I hope I'm getting darker, honestly. Okay, and then we're gonna keep going down here. This is only for my nature loving people, if you want to see new parts of places and stuff. But all y'all don't have to watch this little part. I just wanted y'all to see the beginning and the woods and stuff. Why are they so slow? Can you tell me that? You have some fake rocks right here. Y'all, I hope this vlog isn't going to be too blurry. But, yeah. My leg's itching kinda from being in those woods, if you ask me. But we'll make it, guys. Might be a thorn between my legs or something. Here's some purple flowers. You waving at everybody. I got thorn in the leg or something. Oh, sorry. Hi.
Hello, how are you all? Good.
What?
He taking care of his mom money. Wait, knock it back. Bless your heart.
Oh, guys, there's water going on us. Oh, that windy. Y'all hear that? I'm so sorry you have to deal with that sound.
God,
You!
I feel like that's in my throat. I ate the dirt. Hell. I ate a bug, girl. Shut up, Delana. Shit. I'm trying to fight for you right here. You was down in the woods, girl.
This is my ratchet family. Guys, so we have a long walk back. There's a bed. There's a bed. I'm done. I said there was a whole bed in there. Y'all didn't want to listen. Yeah, a bed. It was in the room. Shoot. They done looked in someone's window thinking the house is empty.
Stop recording now. Mess up the video.
Guys, so I guess.
Are you on live?
No, this is going on YouTube.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No one wants to see it.
Yes, they do. They gonna at least watch your part.
You record show for real.
Yes, ma'am. I'm a vlogger. I post on YouTube every once in a year. I felt like this was good content for my yearly post. This tree is big, guys. I just wanted you to see that. Some bird houses. They really care for the birds in this community.
It's fun. People walk along the bank down there, you know.
I'm gonna show them the bones, and that's the end of the vlog.
They know there's some good people.
Some that got hit.
Each other, the long ones, like the leg.
Something's stabbing me in my leg. Y'all, so my weave is really flowing around everywhere. But we'll make it. You had bad luck, I think. That's where I got my bad luck from. Boy, I'm kind of glad you ain't got it on video.
Oh my God! Damn, I can't believe I said shit on me.
I know it was funny as hell from the back.
Let's see my balance. Okay, we made it.
I am mad because now I'm saying that they're paying us $10,000 if we get out of here.
we doing naked and afraid in Memphis. Yeah.
Y'all, we're gonna see what's in here real quick. It's just so cool seeing. Well, never mind. We ain't going over there because we gotta get on the sidewalk. As you can see, the roads look a little different down here. They're a little red.
I'm saying I be outside all day, every day. I've been black as hell and outside.
There's all the ducks right there.
Where?
Y'all see all the geese or whatever?
Oh, yep, over there.
Here, guys, here's some geese if you're really into that. Huh? Oh, that's why you said the community center you were gonna put your feet at. Nobody wants your stinky feet, nigga. So here's what you have in here. Here's your bones. And this is what we're gonna end the vlog with. As you can see, there's a bunch of wildlife, and that was a host spine. Right now we're on like the curb pretty much beside the bike park, the bike lane.